Got a stiff fully clothes, cause bitch I'm not lucky. Yo bitch see the Gucci, now she tryna fuck me. She suckin' my dick and now she looking up to me. Beautiful, I look my hip and it's ugly. I'm leaving them stinking, I'm leaving them musty. Yeah, antique nigga, I'm leaving them dust. Don't want no water, my pole now it's rusty. I'm sitting in the back, I sit in the front seat. AF1's on all white, not crusty. She put Sean John on, let me see her thumb. She telling me it's right, but I'm knowing it's wrong. This is not my hoe, she belong to the guard. Y'all niggas go for it, feel like Jan Harden. I'm smoking on ooey, she give me her coochie. I pass it to Nova, he say alley-oop me.
Bad bitches shoot me, I ain't gotta say shit. Going somewhere nice, yeah, I get a new fit. If I don't get the money, my bitch throw a fit. He say he got the drugs, but is it legit? He say he a dog, but is he a pit? Plug my nose, these niggas bullshit. Can't be my homie if you crew hop. Every vacation, the nigga I'm going shopping. You know I'm a great damn nigga, no puppy. I don't need no bitch, only God love me. I can't remember the last thing a nigga took from me. Pay too much, you can't smoke this weed. Nigga too sweet, can't hang around this. Every time a girl come around me, it's bliss. She ain't do right by me, dismiss. Just like Joker, I pass it, assist. Go. You hear that? Smoking on that gas, yeah, nigga call that Feugo. Don't know the bitch's name, so I be like, hey ho. Bitches think they sweetie, cut them off, call me Quavo. She used to like Beyonce's Halo till she learned I play with halos. Not Mexican, but I'm chasing after peso. Queso, I need all the cheese. Every picture that I take, I always show my teeth. Making so much money, man, I swear I'm so intrigued. The bitches love it.
I ain't Tupac but the rim, you know I'm above it. I end up dunking in a bitch with no Danny Glover. I'ma step on niggas' neck, watch a nigga suffer. I still fuck on niggas' mothers, watch your baby mother. And I don't care about no beef, kill your baby brother. It's like this little bitch a cop, she was undercover. I know this little bitch a thought, she pulled off a rubber. I know she watched WWE cause she wanna rumble.